Choco, I don't know if you, it's like an Oreo, except it's chocolate inside.
Oh yeah, they have the smile on it.
Yeah.
So you have one of these, or how many are you allowed to have?
2,
You're allowed to have 2,
2 or 3.
and then you have like a glass of milk.
I used to have mint and milk.
Mint and milk. So and then you can dip the cookies in the mint.
It's
Milk.
pretty amazing.
Oh, I bet.
It's Fabien who showed me that trick. Fabien.
So for the cater, you can have a couple of cookies or a piece of bread with Nutella. But it's not a lot because your appetite, and it's after school.
Tu y arrives ou pas? Attends.
If you were walking along the road and if that was your everyday routine, they can walk and eat. The child can walk and eat.
I mean, like if you buy every day, 2 or 3 euros.
Yeah, but it could be your. I'm just wondering if it's allowed, or if you would be looked at like. I'm just trying, like you know what I mean.
No, it's allowed.
Like you wouldn't be like the French people. Like we just saw that little girl. She was eating something down the road. And so
After school.
So it's after school. She can have a small piece of bread, a little something. I'm just curious about the tradition of Cater. What's allowed? It's very confusing. Some things are allowed, some things are not.
Choco, du pain. Oui. C'était Émilie, elle pense qu'on s'arrêtait à la boulangerie et tu nous achetais des.
Ah non.
Voilà, c'est ça. C'est surtout une question de.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle veut?
She thinks it's too expensive.
Non, du choco. Là, le casse-croûte, c'était pour le matin. Dans le café. Dans le chocolat.
Ouais, ça jamais.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux?
And the parents?
Ça a jamais été mon truc.
Non.
Et Julien, je me rappelle,
Oh là.
il trempait ces trucs dedans là.
Do the parents have something? Nothing. Just a coffee. Anything?
For what?
When you have the Cater, the parents they don't need anything. No. It's just the children.
Demande ses parents, ils avaient 4 ans aussi.
Ah non.
Ah no. Just trying to know the rules here. It's hard to explain.
Attention, ma